Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you prepared well, because an epic episode awaits us today. From close calls to road rage. You name it, we have it. All the clips used in this episode are strictly for educational purposes. And so without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. This family was on its way to church, but something really bad happened and they were prevented from that. Make sure to stick around and write me your opinion about this whole mess. Cameron got cut off by a crazy driver at the traffic lights, and as he got out of his car, he immediately asked for trouble. There was a car parked in the middle of a bike lane. Out of all the parking spaces, this lady had to block the bike lane, of course. But the real drama begins when the biker tapped her car as he passed by. Stay tuned to find out what happened.
Trying to run me over?
Why are you running away?
Huh?
You want to stop and squash it out?
Why are you parked? Why were you parked in the bike lane?
Obviously.
Why were you parked in the bike lane?
I'm waiting for somebody. I'm handicapped.
Sure.
Yes, it does.
That doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
You lanes, no matter.
Voting for people.
You couldn't
I'm
use it.
handicapped,
There's a parking
idiot.
lot right
I'm
there.
handicapped, idiot. You're
That doesn't
voting for somebody.
That does not matter.
Next time
You
you're
stay
gonna
out of
think
bike
twice
lanes.
about- I bet you next time you're going to think twice about doing that stupid.
Really?
Because if I thought about doing something to you, you would be upset. Don't you ever like hit somebody else's car? Because you don't know the situation, stupid ass. You sit there, you wake up every morning and you get on your bike, and that's all you
Nearly get run over by assholes like you.
You're discriminating. You vote every day.
Wow.
You're a discriminator.
Wow.
Nasty ass. Don't
Yep.
you ever your
Keep making excuses for yourself.
The next time I see you.
Wait, where on your handicap permit does it say you can park in bike lanes?
The next time I
It doesn't
see
say
you,
that.
it will be
You can't
a
use that
proper
parking lot right
I
there?
don't care what it doesn't say.
Does that give you a
It
right to
also
nearly
says
run me
you
over?
discriminate. You better
Give you a right to nearly run
go.
over.
You better go. You better go.
After
You
you.
better go.
You're more important.
No,
Go ahead.
Go ahead. I'll
Go
wait.
ahead.
Go
You're
ahead.
you're
I'll
way
wait
more
for you.
important than anyone
I'm
else.
scared now. Go ahead. Let's go.
Blah 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 blah.
Watching that camera almost
Blah 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 blah. Ran a stop sign.
Cameron caught a crazy road rage argument on his dashcam between two guys. We don't know exactly what happened between the two, but whatever it was, the situation escalated quickly, and this is how it all looked like. In this situation, the truck driver was just minding his own business, and all of a sudden, this crazy driver tried to force his way in front. And needless to say, a really bad move.
Crash detected.
Mama! Mama!
Some videos speak for themselves, like this one for example. Check out one of the most bizarre car crashes ever. Semi-truck driver caught some really crazy situations on his dashcam. Drivers tend to pay less and less attention on a daily basis, and their impatience can sometimes lead to bad outcomes, like in this video for example.
Thinks he's gonna cut me off. Pow, 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 pow. How's them sandbags and barriers, mother? You stupid. Do you think I'm gonna pull over for you? You stupid. Look at his hood though. Look at his hood all smashed up. You better quit playing. You messing with the wrong. I'm telling you, I'm trucker mother. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, that's why you upside down in the median. Now I'm gonna whoop your ass when I get out this truck. Woo! I'm telling you. What the?
Instead of paying attention at the road ahead, we have this rude and self-entitled driver who was too busy looking at his phone. Texting and driving is among the leading causes of car crashes worldwide, and some drivers just don't want to come to terms when it comes to this stat. Because one driver was paying more attention at his phone instead of at the road, he caused an accident. Texting and driving is among leading causes of accidents, and some drivers just can't seem to put their phone away while driving, regardless of that fact. In this video, you will see a driver who didn't secure his load properly. Something fell out of the back of his truck at the intersection, but the camera made sure to do something really cool about it.
Video protected.
Yes. Careful with your massive vehicle. How did they get there?
Oh no, he ran the light! Get him!
This is not the traffic lane.
Yeah.
So you just make up your own rules? I mean, don't go now. Excellent driving. Very good. How did they even get here? It goes all the way back that way. How?
Camera was just minding his own business driving around, but this crazy driver dangerously cut right in front of him. And I mean, really dangerously.
Oh my god.
We have prisons to keep real-life villains at bay, but no system.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from the driving fails. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.